Did you know that essential oils can actually help reduce scar tissue and support your skin in regenerating naturally? Today, I'm going to share one amazing roller blend that has been really super helpful for me. Hi, I'm Lynn with Oils with Lynn, and I uplift families with daily natural solutions for mind, heart, and body. If you've ever wished you could fade a scar or help your skin look smoother and healthier, you're going to love what I'm sharing with you today. So let's jump into this scar reducing roller blend. You'll need a 10 milliliter roller bottle. And then you're going to add in 4 drops of helichrysum. Helichrysum is known for its incredible ability to regenerate tissue and reduce scarring. And then you'll add 3 drops of lavender. This calms skin reactions, support healing, and helps maintain healthy tissues. Next, 3 drops of lemongrass. It's great for toning and supporting the skin. Then you're going to add 3 drops of myrrh. It's so soothing and also promotes regeneration and toning. And then 5 drops of frankincense. This is a powerhouse for restoring and healing. It reduces inflammation and helps regenerate tissues. And then add 3 drops of geranium. This is amazing for the skin. It's great for healthy balance. So after adding these oils to your 10 milliliter roller, fill the rest of your roller bottle with fractionated coconut oil, and then pop on the roller top, and you're ready to go. Essential oils have been proven to be very effective at reducing scarring. I'll tell you my story real quick. I had a pretty dark scar on my face from a surgery. I didn't love having it on my face. Not only was it dark in color, it was raised and thick, and it was right here, dead center, in the middle of my forehead. I decided to try this blend of essential oils, and I applied it a few times a day. And after about 3 weeks, I was so pleased with the results. The scar lightened in color, the tissue smoothed out, and it became almost completely unnoticeable. It is flat, even, and it blends right in with my skin. I really am still amazed about what these oils can do. So if you're ready to try this blend, go ahead and make it up and then start applying it consistently. I applied it 2 to 3 times a day. If you're looking to purchase the best quality of CPTG oils, I put the link in the description to make it easy shopping for the oils that are in this recipe. Also, as a little gift for you, I've added a free guide called 100 Uses for Essential Oils. It's just packed with practical, everyday ways to use your oils in your home and for your health. You'll find the link for this guide in the description as well. Thanks for spending time with me today. If you found this helpful, do me a little favor and give this video a thumbs up. And then subscribe to my channel. I hope you enjoy using this little tip for natural support for your skin. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video.